Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial River. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we're going to show you how you can make a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see that there is a question. The question is Tutorial River helpful? Our option will be yes or no. We want to make a drop-down list in this cell. For this, we are selecting this cell and then we're going to the Data tab. Here you can find a icon which is data validation. Click here. Now select list. Here you can put your options. We are putting our options yes and no separated with a comma. Click OK. Then you can see that there is an icon. Click here. Now you can see that there is two options, yes or no. That's it. This is the easiest way to make a drop down list in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.